Members? Members? Hello? Yes, Bridget and Puff?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Can we draw the pie chart now? Pie chart. So can you pick your pair of compass? Pick your pair of compass. We should draw it to which radius, members? Which radius should we use? Because we said a suitable radius. Which radius should we use? Let's
4
draw
centimeter.
let's draw something big. I think 4 can work, not sir? For me, I'm drawing mine. Mine is 4 centimeters. I'm drawing a circle with a radius of 4 centimeters. Draw something big. Good. So this is our center. That is our center. Okay?
Yes.
You can start by drawing. You can put this line here to present 90 degrees. This one here like this. Okay? The first one is what, members? The first one is what? 60 what? 63 degrees.
60.
So you put your protractor like this. Put your protractor like this along that line. I think that. Put your protractor like that from the point. Make sure it is exactly at the point. Then 63. This is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 is here. 61, 62, 63 is here. Put a dot there. Put a dot, remove it. Then join it to the center. Like that. Okay? Are we together?
Yes.
This one is what? 63 degrees. 63 degrees. The second one is 90?
95.
95. 95. So we just continue drawing like this. We'll continue like that. 95. 90 is here. 90 is here, and then 95 is going to be here. And Zoa,
Yes.
are you drawing? So this one is 90, 95. Adokoraj? Adokoraj?
Yes.
Are you drawing?
Yes.
We move to the next one. The next one is what? 150? 158. 158. 158. 150 is here. 150 is here, but 58. 58 is here. This is there. Like that. Definitely, which means this one remaining is what? This is 158 degrees. Which means this one is what? 40?
44.
You can even prove it. You go ahead and prove it. Go ahead and prove it. Yes, you can see there is 44. Members? Members,
Yes, teacher.
this is our what?
Teacher.
This is our pie what?
Pie chart.
Pie chart. Pie chart. So if you have colors, you can use different colors to shade it off. Okay? Okay?
Yes.
This is walk, but level it. This is walk. Then this is what? Bike. Then this one is it? Cars.
Car.
Then this is it? Bus or taxi.
Taxi.
Now, members,
Yes.
with this pie chart, you can use it to interpret your data. What interpretation can you give from this data here? What interpretation do you have?
Cars have got the higher frequency.
So you can say, let's say, from the data, from the what? The data, comma, we can see that, number one, we can see that the most common way or mean of transport is what?
Cars.
Is cars. Okay? Because it has the greatest what? Area. It has the greatest what? Area. Hence highest frequency. Hence highest what? Frequency. Then also number two, you can also conclude that the least mean of transport here is what?
Bus.
Bus.
So the least mean of transport. What we are writing here now, this is the interpretation I was talking about. The least mean of transport is what? Is bus or taxi. So people prefer driving themselves. Okay? Are we together, members?
Yes.
That's one way of presenting data. The second one we said is what? A bar chart, no sir? Members, we said is a what? A bar what?
Bar chart.
Do you have graph book there? Carry your graph book. Carry your graph book, please. Bar chart or bar graph. Let me pick mine. Members, let me pick mine.
Teacher.
Yes? Members?
When your teacher.
Yes?
When you're drawing the angles on the pie chart, do you
Mm.
still put at the same point?
Hmm?
Do you put the protractor at the same point?
Yes, it must be at the same point. You saw I was putting mine, not so. Huh?
First put an IC.
Yes. That's what you mean you did not see when I was drawing mine. You put like this, it must be at the same point like that. I think that. Huh?
Yes.
You measure like 63. After that, again, you come and put like this. The same line. I think that.
Yes.
Next one, continuously like that. Okay?
Okay.
Mm. So let's look at what? Bar chart. We said a bar chart is a graph. It's a graph of frequency. It's a graph of frequency. It's a graph of frequency against the what? The item. It's against the what? The item. Given in a given in a data full stop. It is disjoint. It is what? Disjoint. It is disjoint. That is separate bars. That is separate what? Bars. Members, it is a separate what? Bars. So I can have a sketch here. I can have a simple sketch here. The title there is a bar. A bar what? A bar graph or a bar chart. I'm just giving a sketch, okay? So this is it. We put here frequency. We put their frequency. Then here we put the items. We put the items. There we put the items. So there must be space between them. So there must be some space. So I can give like this. So this one like this, like that. They must be spaced, equally spaced. They must be equally spaced. And say this item 1, item 2, item what? 3. Okay? Members, are you seeing that? Have you seen that?
Yes.
So this is an example of a bar chart. Okay? So in this case, what is our items? Our items are?
As means of transport.
The means of transport, not so?
Yes.
All right. So can you pick your graph paper, please? Mine is here. Mine is here. Are you seeing it, members?
Yes.
The first thing you do when drawing a graph, your graph must have a what? A title. A graph must have a what?
The title.
So what's our title there? The title is a what? A bar?
Graph.
Bar graph or a bar chart. Okay? That's the
Yes.
title. Then pick your long ruler. Pick your long ruler. Members?
Yes.
Do you all have graph books with that is there?
Yes.
Yes.
Now you'll find that if you are to count from here up to here is 1 centimeter. I think this square here, there's the box, the big one, okay? When you see from here up to this one is what? 1 centimeter. You can even put your ruler there to find out, to measure it out. You can see that. I think that is one what?
Centimeter.
1 centimeter. But for us to come out with a good graph, you don't need to carry your ruler. Just know that 1 square is what? 1 centimeter. Okay. Are you together?
Yes.
So what you do, we leave 2 centimeters here. We leave 2 centimeters here. So are you seeing where I'm putting my ruler? Are you seeing that? Members, are you seeing that? Draw that line. Draw this line here. We are leveling our graph. Draw this line here. Then put the arrow on top. Put the arrow on top. Are you seeing that? 2 centimeters here. Leave here 2 centimeters. Then also come down. Come down here. Come down here. Also do the same. Leave 2 centimeters. 1, 2. Are you seeing that? Here. And make them to cut each other like that. Like that. Also from here, put the arrow on top. Put the arrow like that. Okay? Members, are we together?
Yes.
We said a bar graph is a graph of what? Frequency against what? The items, not so?
Yes.
So you put here, you level your axis. This is frequency. So we are going to put there frequency. So you mark the 2 centimeters. Put the 2 centimeters. Put 2 centimeters. 2 centimeters. 2 centimeters there. Put 2 centimeters. 2 centimeters. Members, are you putting them? I sing mine. 2. Okay?
Yes.
Like here we have what? What should we put here? This is the mean of what? Means of what? Transport. Means of transport. So since we are drawing a bar graph, when we say that a bar graph must be space, must be what? Space. So we leave 1 centimeter here. So I put this is going to present 1 bar and put like this. Like that. Like that. I think that, members? I think that. I've left 1 space there. So this is a walk. I write like that. This walk. Okay? Again, I leave 1 centimeter here. I start from here. Then another 2 centimeters here. I think that. Then this is going to be, the second one is what? The second one is a bike. So I write there, bike. Then I leave 1 centimeter again. Then I put this one here like that. The third one, which is it? Cars. Cars. I leave 1 centimeter again here. Then I put the next one there. So then this is what? Bus or a taxi. Members, have you seen how I put it? Members, are you following?
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
All right. So like that. Are you through with that? Members, are we through with that?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's come to the vertical axis, the frequency. What was our frequency? What was our highest frequency, members? What was our highest frequency? The highest frequency was what? 20? Members?
Was 20.
Was 25. So which scale should we use? What should be our scale? I believe I've taken you through scale the other time. So which scale should we use? Because we want to draw a big graph. Which scale should we use? We can use 2, not so? 2 centimeter representing 2 units, okay? We can also use 5. We can use 5. We can use 5. We can use 5. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So if we are to use 2, it will not be enough. So let's use 5. Let's use what? Members, let's use what?
5.
5. Let's use 5. So which means I will put here 0, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 20, 25. But our graph is going to be very small, very small. Our graph is going to be very small. Oh. So what should we do? Because a good graph must cover more than a half. Must cover more than a half. Members? Can you unmute? Please, can you unmute? Son?
Yes, teacher.
So our graph is going to be very small, right?
Yes.
What should we do?
Make it on 10, but no.
10 is going to be okay. Let's just draw it because I want you just to see how to draw it. Okay.
Yes.
So we are using 0 to 25. So what is the first bar? The first one is for what? For walk, not so?
Yes.
Walk is presenting how many? How many frequency? What is the frequency for walk?
10.
It's 10. So I've left a space already here. So which means I will draw 10 like this. Like this. Then I come and draw another bar here. Close it. Close it like this. That's how you draw. Are you seeing that, members?
Yes.
We go to the second one, which is what? Bike. Bike is 15. Bike is 15. Like that. You see that piece 15 is there. Like that. Members? Members?
Yes, teacher.
Are you doing the work?
Yes.
Okay. Then the third one is cars, which is 25, and is the tallest bar. And it's the tallest bar. Like that. Then the last one is what? 7. The last one is what?
7.
So where will 7 be? This is 5.
In between 5 and 10.
So
Yeah.
here, there. Okay.
I'm coming.
Have you seen that, members?
Yes.
So this is what we call a bar. What? So after drawing the bars, you shade them off. You shade the bars. So can you shade the bars? After drawing, you shade like that. Members, after drawing your what? You shade.
Shade.
Members. Members.
Yes,
teacher.
Do you have something like that? Members?
Yes.
Are you through with that?
Not you.
Yes.
Almost. Yes, T.
Okay. Members,
Yes. You are done.
you are through, eh?
Yes.
Okay. Now, if we are through with that, put it aside. Put it what?
Aside.
Now, we said there were how many ways? We have seen pie chart. We have seen bar chart. Now, what are we left with?
Tally.
Hmm?
Tally.
Graph.
Pictogram. We are left with what? Eh?
Pictogram.
Pictogram is from the word picture. It's from the word what?
Picture.
Which means we are going to be drawing pictures here.
Picture.
Pictogram.
Yeah.
Pictogram. Okay?
Yes.
It's from where?
Picture.
And this is how we do it. And this is how we draw it. So we are still using the same data. We are still using the same what?
Data.
We have
Data.
walk, not so?
Yes.
We have what? Bike. Okay. Then we have cars. Then we have what? Taxi. Or what? Or bus. So for work, there were how many people, members? How many people were there?
10.
10. 10.
There were 10, eh?
Yes.
So now with pictogram, we are going to present them with a scale. We are going to use a what? A scale. Okay?
Yes.
Let me put for you here. Let me put it here so that you can see. This is frequency, not so? This one was a 10. Then this one was what? Bike was how many? 15. Then cars that were 25. Then this one was 7, right?
7. Yes.
So let me put it this side for the pictogram. So now I'm going to be drawing pictures. I'm going to draw what?
Pictures.
Pictures. So, but now this one, there are very many. There are very what? Eh?
Many.
There are very many. So what are we going to do now? So can we draw 10 pictures? Can we draw 15? Can we draw 25? Can we draw 7? It's not easy, not so?
No.
It's not easy, right?
Yes.
So what should we do now?
Use the scale.
We are using a scale. We are going to use a scale, right?
Yes.
So like now, which scale should we use? What should be our scale?
1 represents 5.
1. Eh? 1 you should represent how many?
5.
5.
5. Good. 1 can present what? 5. Okay. Okay, to present how many people? 5 what?
People.
5 people. So can we draw it? So we're just going to draw small pictures. So which means for 10, we are going to draw how many pictures?
2.
2.
2.
Just draw a simple thing there. Just something like that. Okay? Okay?
People. Yes.
Just like that. That's a pictogram. That's a what?
Pictogram.
Pictogram.
Then number for bike, how many are we going to draw?
3.
3. 3. Just like that. Just like that. Okay?
Yes.
What about for cars? How many are we going to draw?
4. 5.
5. Good. What about now for this one? 7. There were 7 people, but we are saying 7. One picture should present 5 people. So how many are we going to draw? And remember, there is no half people. There is no one. You can't say this is person is a half. Okay? Okay, let's put it like this. We have 7, not so? 7 divided by 5. What do you get? You get 1 point?
4.
1 point what?
4.
But 4, you cannot round 4. You cannot round 4, right? So in this case, we are going to present it by only what? Only one picture. Only one what?
Picture.
You can't draw one and then you say this is a half. No, that one does not exist. There's no someone called a half. There's no a half human being, okay? Okay?
Yes.
I together members. There's no half human what?
Human being.
There's no half human being. So that's our pictogram. That's our picture what? Pictogram. So close it. Members, is it hard? Is it hard?
No.
So those are how many ways?
3.
3 ways. Okay? So if that one is okay, now I have exercise here. Exercise. Okay? Members, what?
Exercise.
Exercise.
Maybe, is there anyone with a question? Anyone with a question? We have understood, right? Members, have you understood?
Yes. Yes.
No,
Someone is saying no. You have not understood.
I've not understood the one of a pie chart.
You came late, eh?
Yes.
Yeah, sorry for that. Sorry. Okay, let's write this exercise, but I want to set the question, but whose name should I use? I want to use somebody's family here. Okay, let's just talk about our class. Okay?
Yes.
The students in senior 1 class, in senior 1 what? Class, were asked to state, I think my screen very well now.
Yes.
Yes.
The student in senior 1 class were asked to state their favorite their favorite crepes. Their favorite what? Crepes. Full stop. The results are given below. The results are given below. We say this table is called what? It's called what? Frequency.
Table.
Frequency distribution what? Table. Let's be faster, please. Let's be faster. Our time is running out. Members, in case we are cut off, join back and then we finish, eh?
Yes.
So the first one we have ready, salted, ready salted. Members,
Yes.
the question is like that. Part A of the question, copy and complete the table. Copy and complete the table. B, represent the data on a bar chart. C, draw a pictogram for this data. For this what? For this data. D, draw a pie chart. Draw a pie chart to represent this data. Then E, what flavor was the best? What flavor was the what? Was the best? So that's the question. Okay?
Yes.
Yes, our time is running out. Please hurry.
Teacher, repeat that part of background.
Of what? Now our time is
Pie
out.
chart.
Our time is out.